was supposed to be forklift, but was not forklift. Devlock. Fake engine. Diff somewhere in there, and then a diff. Hello, Danny Z here, and today we're here with Lego. Yeah, I've been pretty busy, so I'll show you around this thing. Last time you saw the Lego, it was pretty bad. This time I think I've made it a lot better. This feature, I'd say, in there, you can't really see probably, but I'll try my best to show you. But this sliding axle here is the 2-speed gearbox. So right now it's in first gear. I will show you second gear, and also I got some gears and stuff. So yeah, now I've got 42 gears and stuff. And yeah, you saw the fake engine, like in the little motorcycle set that we got, kind of little one. And most importantly, we have differentials. You can't really see it, but there is a differential, an all axle, and a central one, and they are all lockable with driving rings. Now the central diff, that's just the diff locking mechanism for them all. Central diff, I usually drive with it locked because the wheels aren't all the same, like they're not always all on the ground because these front wheels are slightly larger. This middle axle tends to go off the ground, so it takes all the power. So I usually lock the central differential. And also there's some pins at the back to attach this trailer to that my dad made. And then we've got this thing. This is just like a 9-volt vehicle, but better. It's got steering, it's also got the differential lock. It's got some other stuff on it. And it has the little fake engine. It's way too fast for me to control it, so yeah. That's how fast it goes. The flock works as well. Anyway, so yeah, this thing uses a Power Functions XL motor for driving, then the medium motor for the steering, and the normal receiver and battery box for to power everything, and then the remote. So yeah, I'm not sure what the gear ratio is. I didn't actually calculate it, but yeah, I'm gonna show you second gear. So that's just how you turn it into second gear. We'll switch it to second gear. Second gear has a lot less torque, but much more speed. And yeah, you can. Well, I'm not sure. It's very hard to drive. But yeah, you can see it is much quicker. And just to prove it, if I unlock the central differential, see that one wheel just gets all the power, and there's a burnout. This thing is absolutely amazing off-road. It just has so much torque, so much power. So yeah, I also got the Mercedes-Benz E-Trans Drive Truck, so you might get a video on it, but sadly I can't actually film it moving because the device that I use to control it is also my camera. Yes, that means... Anyway, yeah, I can't actually show it moving because, yeah. That also means, yes, everything you've seen has been filmed on a tablet. Not an iPad, a tablet. And one thing I'll show you is just has trailer attaches. So just 2 pins at the back. Those 2 pins just go on. It's probably going to be the most messy thing ever to watch, but I'm going to try my best for this to not look terrible, but yeah. So yeah, those 2 pins just go in there. And then, boom. It's done. So, yeah, that's all for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed, and amazing stuff. Goodbye.